Hello, in this video I will show how to download, install, and activate RESCU on the Windows operating system. So first of all, you gotta go to the Nano Academic portal at portal.nanoacademic.com and sign up. If you've already signed up, you can then sign in using your email and password. As you can see here, I have 0 products activated. So I'm going to click on the product tab and choose RESCU. Clicking this button, I'm going to start my free trial, and I see a button which I can click to download the latest version of RESCU, and another button that's going to give me instruction on how to activate and generate my RESCU license. First of all, you got to log into the computer on which you want to use RESCU. So that's quite important to generate the correct license. So here I'm on that computer, and then I need to download a little utility which is going to be able to help me generate the license. So clicking here, Windows might try to protect me, but since I trust the portal of Nano Academic, I'm going to decide to run it anyway. It's going to generate some string of letters and numbers like that. So I can just ignore it. And that string is going to be saved to that.env in the download directory, just beside this little utility. And I'm going to import that and click submit. Then the portal is going to generate my license. Clicking on the little arrow, I can see the number of my license, but also the start date and expiry. So here it's good for 1 month. And now clicking the download button, I can download my license. Now let's go to the my download directory. I can see the tarball containing the source code of RESCU. So I'm going to extract it to RESCU 2.7, extract it again to RESCU 2.7.0. Now I'm going to go in MATLAB, jump to RESCU, and then source to install RESCU. So I can install RESCU typing make RESCU, and then I can either read the license here or directly go and install RESCU, passing yes to agree to license. Of course, feel free to first read the license before accepting it. This should not take too long, so it's done. I can then go to the example directory and try to run RESCU, see if everything went fine. Try to compute the self-consisting ground state density of aluminum. Now, this tells me that my license file is not found. So first of all, I need to set some environment variable to tell RESCU where this license file is. Second, I need to go back to download and copy the license.link I downloaded from the portal client to the license directory. So let's do that now. I'm going to copy it to license here. And I'm going to take this license path because I'm going to set a license like a variable. So going in Windows, in the settings, I'm going to take variable, go to environment variable, and I'm going to set a system variable so that I don't have to do it for every user. So let's add one. So I set RESCU license path to this path, and my actual license file is license.link. So I need to point to the exact file where the license is. I'm going to click OK, OK, OK. Now let's go back here. Let's go back to example and try to run it. I'm still going to see that the license is not found because MATLAB is not going to update its internal values for the variables before I quit and go back. So I'm going to exit. I'm going to click on MATLAB again. let's jump to example. I'm already there, and rescue is in my path. So let's try to run this again. And now you see this runs fine. So it's going to take a few self-consistent iteration. It's computing the forces, and everything is now fine. Now, last little caveat. If I go back to download and I think I can use a license file that I got from some other computer, or maybe a different operating system. For example, this license file is for the current computer, but on my Ubuntu partition. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to copy that to license, delete this license file, and rename that. And then let's go back to example. If I do that now, it finds the license, but it tells me that the license is invalid. That's because the licenses are specific to certain computers and certain OSs. Now, if you need trial versions for more than one computer or more than one OS, please get in touch with us. We will be accommodating. We just want to hear about your needs and how you wish to use RESCU. So on that, thank you for listening, and have a good day.